Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about factorization of quadratic trinomial. So let me see every quadratic equation, every quadratic expression. The general form of quadratic expression will be the general form of quadratic expression. Be ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers and a is not equals to 0. This is called general form of quadratic polynomial. So now here three terms are there: ax square plus bx plus c. That now it is called a trinomial. So now we can say this is quadratic trinomial. That means a quadratic polynomial can mostly have only three terms. At least you can have only one term also. At least one term, and at most three terms. That is ax square plus bx plus c. Let me consider at most three terms. That is called trinomial, quadratic polynomial. How to factorize the quadratic polynomial? By splitting the middle terms. Let us see. In the before video we solved one question: x square plus 6x plus 8 by the difference of squares method. Now in the same question we are going to find the factorization of quadratic trinomial. Let us see now first. So first example 1, x square plus 6x plus 8. So by taking this quadratic polynomial or quadratic trinomial, so in this process, step 1, steps wise I am going to explaining. Step 1, what is the first step? In this first step we are going to identify the terms. First x square term and 6x term and 8, that is constant term. So by identifying three terms, first we are going to multiply the x square term and constant term. Multiply x square term and constant term. So what it becomes? X square term and constant. X square means this is plus x square, and constant is it is plus 8. So we are going to multiply these two terms. It becomes first symbol multiplication, plus into plus, that is plus. Next number multiplication, here number is 1 and here number is 8, 8 ones are 8. And variable multiplication becomes product is 8x square plus 8x square. Now step 2. What is step 2? So in this process, step 2, we are going to divide the obtained product into two factors. Now in the product condition, we are multiplying, so from symbol to variable, symbol, number and variable. Now we are going to take a variables, then number, finally we are going to find how symbol will become. Now x square will be divided into x into x. Now 8, by splitting 8 number, how the factors will be 8. 8 factors we are taken here as factors of 8 is 1 into 8. 1 8s are 8. Then in 2 table 8 can be written as 2 4s 8. Then 1 8s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. The remaining 4 2s and 1 8. These are the two possibilities to find the factors. Two possibilities of 8 factors. In these two possibilities, the difference or sum of the obtained factors will becomes middle number, that is 6. So that means here 1 into 8, how much? 1 plus 8. So addition will becomes 1 plus 8 is 9. Here 9 is there, so not there. That is addition of these two factors is not suitable. Okay, now subtraction. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So here 7, but it is 6. Now this set of factors is not suitable for this expression. Now we are going to take a 2 and 4. What is the sum of 2 and 4? 2 plus 4, 6. Yes, it is possible 6. That's why we are taking this one. A difference, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. If it is 2 and if it is 6, now we are going to consider 2 and 4 as a factors. Okay, if it is 9 and 7, here 9 and 7 will be there, then we are going to consider these factors, 1 and 8. Now students, I hope understand you. So when which factors are going to be considered? Okay, for this product 8, it has two factors. The first pair of factors is 1 and 8. But the addition of this 1 and 8 is 9 and subtraction is 7. If 9 and 7 is presenting, so if 9 or 7 are presenting in the middle term expression, then we are going to consider these two factors. So, but here 2 and 4 we are going to consider because 2 plus 4 is 6. Yes, here 6 is presenting. So definitely, so we can split. So 2 and 4 we are taken. That is 2 4. So this number, this middle term is obtained by addition process. Addition is nothing but it has only two same symbols. So that means when you have two same symbols, then only it is possible addition, either minus or plus. But here the required value plus, there is addition, simply we are taking this plus and plus. Now these two terms we are replacing 6x. We are replacing 6x. Then x square plus 6x is replaced by 2x plus 4x. Plus 8. Now we are splitting the middle term into two terms. So by splitting the middle term, now it is very easy. Now by grouping the terms now. So first group these two terms and group these two terms. Then x square and 2x. X has taken, so remaining x and 2 will be taken here. Then plus, here 4 has taken common. Then x plus 2 because it is 4 table. 4 ones and 4 twos 8. Now here also x plus 2 and x plus 2 take as common. X plus 2 take as common becomes x plus 4. So this is called factorization. In the previous case also we are getting same factorization. Now we are going to another example for better understanding process. Better understanding process now. We are going to another example. Let us see the example how it is. So example 2 you can consider 8 plus x square minus 9x. So 8 plus x square minus 9. First of all we are going to arrange the given terms into order. First highest degree, that is x square, next degree that is 9x, next degree is plus 8. So this is now x square minus 9x plus 8 concept. Now so here also first term is x square and 8 plus 8. Now multiply the x square term and constant term. X square term is plus x square and constant term is minus 8 here. So plus 8, sorry, plus 8. So now by multiplying these two plus in plus plus, so 8x square. Now we are going to split step 2. Step 2 is nothing but from back x and x square will be splitting into x and x. So 8. Now already we know 8 can be written as 1 into 8 and 2 into 4. Now if you observe this one, 1 into 8, 1 plus 8, 9. Here 9 is there. That's the reason why we are taken 1 and 8 as factors now for this. Because the addition of these two values will be 9. So now 8 and 1 is in addition process, then only we are getting middle term. Okay, so for this addition, so which symbols we have? So here required symbol is minus, but given symbol is plus. That means when you take 2 minus, that is minus 1x and minus 8x, it becomes minus 9x, and minus into minus plus, now it is satisfies. Now by replacing as 9x in the place of 9x, that is minus 1x minus 8x plus 8. So now grouping these two terms, that is x as common, x minus 1, minus 8 take as common, this is x minus 1. Now x minus 1 take as common becomes x minus 8. Now this is called factorization. Very simple, by splitting the middle term into two terms. Okay, two terms. So what is the conditions for how to split the middle term into two terms? This is the condition, step 1 and step 2. In these two steps we are going to convert this as. So now, so for better understanding we are going to another example for you. Another example, let me see. Students, observe carefully, this is very important process. Very important process now. So this is x square plus 7x plus 12. X square plus 7x plus 12. So how to solve this one? Here also x square term is x square plus, and this is plus 12. So you can split like this, plus into plus plus 12x square. Now we can divide x as x and x. 12 can be written as 12. Which table? 1 into 12 possible, 2 into 6 is possible, 3 into 4 is possible. Now 1 into 12, this is 3 pairs is possible here. So 1 into 12 means 1 plus 12, 13. If 13 is there, no, that's why it is not correct. Then 12 minus 1, 11. 11 is there, that is not correct. That means this pair we should not consider. Now 2 into 6 is 12. Now this pair, so we have to check. 2 plus 6 is 8. Here 8 is not possible, right? 8 is not there, that's why it is not considered. 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 is possible? No, 4 is also not there. That's the reason why we are not considering 4 also. That means, so here 2 and 6 is also not possible. Then 3 and 4, this pair we have to check. 3 and 4, how much? 3 plus 4 is 7, yes it is possible. Now 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. If it is 1 or 7, it is possible by taking 3 into 4, that is 3 fours. But addition and required plus, that is both are plus symbols. Now you can write x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 by replacing 7x as 3x and 4x. Now it is grouping these two terms, x as common, x plus 3, and 4 take as common, it is also x plus 3. Now x plus 3 take as common, x plus 4. So like that we are going to divide this one. So go for another example, you can see how to solve this questions. So how to solve this question by taking another example. You can see 12x square minus x minus 6. In all the previous examples we have only x square term, that is monomial. This is a monic quadratic expressions. So now it is 12x square. So this is not a monic quadratic expression. So x square term is here is plus 12x square, and the constant term is here minus 6. So if you product this one plus into minus, then 12 6 are 72x square. So 72x square. So now we are going to split, this is x and x. This 72 can be split as 72. What are the factors of 72? You can see 1 into 72 possible. So 2 into 36 is possible. Next 3 into 3 2s are 6, 3 4s. 3 24s is possible. Next 4 table also possible. 4 18s. 4 18s possible. 5 table not possible. 6 table possible. 6 12s possible. In 7 table not possible. 8 table you can see. 8 table possible, right? 8 9s it is possible. Then 9 8s. These are the pairs we have taken. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 pairs are there. So in each and every pair we have to select. That is 1 and 72. That is 1 plus 72, 73. Here 73 is there? No. So that's why it is not possible. So 72 minus 1, 71. 71 not there. Then 6 and 2 and 36. So 2 plus 36 is 38, and 36 minus 2 is 32. 34 and 38. If it is 34 and 38, no, it is not possible. Then coming to here, this is 27 and 24 and 21. 27 and 21. If it is 27 and 21, no, it is not there. Then 4 and 18. So 4 plus 18 is 22. 4 minus 18 is 14. 14 and 22 is possible, right? Here it is not possible. Then coming to 6 and 12. 6 and 12. 6 plus 12, how much? That is 18. 6 minus 12, 6. If it is 18 and 6 also it is possible, but it is also not possible here. Now coming to 8 and 9. So addition is 17, not there. Subtraction is 1, yes it is there. Now we are going to take this expression. So 8 9s. But the required thing is subtraction. Subtraction, and the required value is minus also. That means the greater have minus and smaller has plus. So now we are going to consider this is 12x square. Instead of minus x, we can write it as plus 8x minus 9x minus 6. Like that. Now grouping these two terms. So in 12 and 8, so which table is common? 4 table. So 4 and x square and x1, x also we are going to consider as taken common. Then 4 in 3 table, 4 3 is 12, already 1x is taken and 1x, and 4 2 and 1x is there, that 1x we are taken out. Then minus, which table? 3 table is possible. 3 3 is 9, x plus 3 2s are. Now 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 is common. that is 4x minus 3. Now this is 3x plus 2 and 4x minus 3. Like that we can split each and every quadratic polynomial or quadratic trinomial into its factors by taking quadratic trinomial factorization. Students, if you have any doubts, it is very simple and very easy to find. So factorization for the quadratic polynomial. If you have any doubts, you can please raise your comment on this video. I will try to rectify all your doubts. Thank you.